If you're a 9 to 5 employee and you currently feel overwhelmed with AI, on one hand, you're scared that it might take your job, but on the other hand, you're excited about the fact that it could help you work less and finally start something of your own, then I'd like to give you a free gift, which is this 100 AI Scaling Roadmap, which is based on 200 hours of me looking over all the businesses that I've helped implement AI and automations for across civil engineering, e-commerce, law firms, and so many more. And so what I did was I broke this down into 10 stages that take you from complete beginner and someone who's never even used ChatGPT before to top 1% where you know how to build any automation and any agent, whether that's for yourself, your company, or your business. And so I made this kind of quiz thing on the website. You can go to it at the100ai.com/roadmap. It's completely free. And if you put in your information there, it will tell you which stage you're at, what you're currently struggling with, and what you need to graduate to the next level. You can check out the link. It will be in the description, or you can just go to the100ai.com/roadmap.